What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be solving this problem on the Bronco. That right there. And that. And this side too. Same thing. And now my door won't shut. Alright, first things first, we're going to rip both these seats out, see what else we're working with. Probably find some more problems and more rust to fix. Yay me. Thanks, Ohio. But we're going to rip these seats out and see what all we're working with here. Yay! Yeah. Come here. Thank you. I will take that. Thank you. At what point do I just say scrap it? Because, guys, this is a little ridiculous.
Emotional damage.
I don't even know what's wrong with me. I should definitely not work on this. Most normal people would scrap it. I mean, look at it. Look at that. What you got there? I have one driver's side floor paint.
What did that box do to you?
It's gonna go right about there.
Ship it.
All right, step one is complete. We got the floor pan in there. It's pretty good. Next step is to do the rocker. Yep, that thing. Well, I got a rocker panel here, but this goes up behind the door. So I got to take this door off and do it by myself. So that should be kind of interesting. Adios, door. Stuff's cut out. Let's see how those bags are all fits in here. Oh, dude. Like a glove, mate. Not too bad. It's kind of easy when everything's rotted off already. You don't have to cut hardly anything out. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have a solid rocker panel. Now, I guess the next step is to find a piece. I cut that out, and we gotta find a piece that fits perfectly. What you got?
I don't know.
Are you for real right now? Was that legit just laying in the corner of the garage?
You never know what's laying around this stinking garage.
Put her up there, bud. Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Yes.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Sound like a monster truck out there with a big old cam. Hey, Drop your seat. Don't kick the bucket. You're too young to kick the bucket.
Man, then they won't be able to see this YouTube video get ended. Alright, day 2-ish. Day 2, 3, whatever. I'm working on this thing. Come look at all the progress we made. This is crazy. So when I first started this video, I didn't have a rocker, I didn't have a floor pan. I didn't film everything, but we're looking pretty good here. We got a little bit of rain that came in here, got some rust. But we got the floor pan in, we got the rocker and cab corner as you guys seen. Didn't film much of this or behind the seat belt. That's kind of hard to see back in there. But this corner back here usually sucks, but we found some metal, made it work. We got a little bit more tacking up to do, but it's looking freaking amazing. And this is very solid now. So I still got to do this like inner cab corner here. We'll make a piece to weld to the outside cab corner. But the goal today, most of this is done. I'm not gonna worry about this side too much today. We're gonna tackle the passenger side. Yeah, that's getting fixed today. So we're gonna get the fiberglass floor pan out. We're gonna cut. That's not gonna take much.
You don't even have to cut much.
Right, we can just rip that out. We're gonna copy and paste from over there to over here. Okay. My guy! What's up, puppy? Hi, girls. Hey! Brother! Man, I forgot how clean this interior is.
I didn't.
What are we doing to the unit today?
We're yanking a tranny out of it.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no bueno.
Yeah, I didn't do that before. So, runs and drives great. But that torque converter, you know, it's got like 3 slots. Then it goes in, you rotate it, and it'll go in a little bit. I think when it came out, it just backed off the slot.
Right.
Because it runs and drives perfect.
Whoa! Line him up! All right, so we got the floor pan loaded in most of the way. Now the next step is to do this rocker, but first gotta get this door off real quick. Wow. All right, so I got the front of this rocker welded on. Well, we have an issue. The reason I couldn't close the door is because the quarter panel and door jamb is moved back somehow, because there's not a whole lot holding this thing on here. So whenever we close it, we have to ratchet strap it so it moves the quarter panel forward. So now I have a ratchet strap here. I'm trying to move this forward so you can see this is supposed to be here. It's like off like a 1/4 inch. So we're gonna ratchet strap this forward. Then I can tack the back of the rocker on, and then I can completely get this thing loaded in. Ladies and gentlemen, that did it. We are in business. Little ratchet strap action. She lined up. All right, got the rocker in completely. Got what I could get welded on this side done. Now it's time to do this piece. Come on, Cody, push. It's almost there. Come on.
I see the head. It just don't want to come out. It's so hard.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, she's all wrapped up. First start up. So what happened? What'd you do?
I think torque converter was not
No,
seated.
it ain't thick. It
Well, it was not.
It came back 3/4 of an inch. It was way out. I don't hear it.
I don't hear nothing.
The exhaust sounds so much better now that it's not just constantly chirping.
Right, you can hear the exhaust versus tick, 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 tick. Do a fat burnout out of here? Will it?
No. Which is dumb. 456 just roast them all day.
Yeah.
Hours later, we are here.
We got the door off.
The passenger side is complete. We've got rocker, cab corner, floor pan, the floor behind the seat belt and seat right here. Got the middle welded up over there. We are looking pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Quite a bit of work today, but it's weird. I feel like I got a lot done and I don't at the same time. So, like I said, everything from here to over there is done. Still gotta fix over there in front of the wheel well because I can see the ground of the garage through there. But I gotta button up the driver's side a little bit. We were running out of gas in the welder, so I kind of cut some corners and didn't weld it completely. But today the passenger side is completely done and welded. And it's gotta button up that side, and then I'm going to Raptor line the whole floor. So I'm not gonna do carpet. Like I said, it's gonna be a mud rig / pre-runner build, so I don't need fancy carpet to just get dirty. So I'm gonna put some bed liner in here. I can just hose out. So I will Raptor line the whole floor after I get the driver's side buttoned up, and that'll probably be the end of the video.
Guys, after welding and grinding and more welding and grinding for about 3.5 weeks or so, the floor is finally done. It is completed, and now it's time to Raptor line it. Got a little carried away here. The more I got into it, the more I had to cut out and weld. So both wheel arches, like all the way across the top, are completely fixed and welded. Not perfect. We're not going to let the camera get too close, but it's not rotted through. I can't see the garage floor anymore. Everything's nice and solid. So now we're going to hit all the welds with a grinder, and we're going to sand everything with 80 grit, and we're going to Raptor line it. Here I got 4 liters of black Raptor liner and the gun. I absolutely love spraying this stuff. Like I said, with this being a toy / mud rig, I obviously don't need fancy carpet to get dirty. So we're just going to Raptor line it and call it a day. So we are ready to rock and roll here. Got everything sanded, ground down, cleaned off, seam sealed. She's ready to spray, but we got a lot of bare metal, so we're gonna hope this is enough. Flip that primer.
Anytime you spray bare metal, you want to put some self-etch primer down. So we're going to go ahead and spray that as much as we can. And then we're going to do a Raptor liner. Should be enough for 2 coats, but we're going to find out. So I'm going to spray some self-etch primer and get to getting. All right, guys, so obviously we got the self-etch primer all sprayed up, ready to go. We are ready to spray this Raptor liner. If you've never sprayed this stuff, it's actually pretty sweet. It comes with everything you need, hardener, cup, and everything. Got a fill line, fill her up to 8 ounces. Pour her in the bottle, I mean. And literally shake it, and the bottle itself threads onto the gun. Can't get no simpler than that. So now we're going to shake this vigorously for 2 minutes. That's exactly what the directions say. So. Alright guys, well here she is. The floor is officially complete. Buttoned up finally. Got 2 coats of Raptor liner on there. Looks absolutely amazing. It looks weird with all being like one uniform color finally. Next step's going to be putting the seats in. And then starting on the body. Next step's going to be this back here. I can't mount a tailgate. So I got to work on like the tailgate jams here. Get the hinges on. And then I'm doing quarter panels. So now the inside's complete. Can finally start on the body, and then it's really going to be taking shape into a rust-free Bronco. In the end, couldn't be happier. Came out great. I love spraying this Raptor liner, as I mentioned before. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos. Because like I said, the body's getting repaired next, and it's going to start taking shape real soon. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.